All right, here she is, folks. The Indy 500 swap is complete, 100%. Everything's plumbed in: fuel line, water lines, oil lines. Got the belt on, exhaust on, battery plugged in, seats bolted down. Pretty simple. It was a cool little project. Airbox is nice and tight. I ended up using the 600 airbox because the 500 airbox, the holes for the carburetor is a little bit too high. So the 500 and the 600 chassis sits lower. So I had to reuse the 600 airbox. I did plug off the third port. I don't know if you guys can see it down there, but I just blocked it off down there with another piece of plastic. But she's good. She's ready to go. I'll fire her up for you guys. There she is. I did have to relocate this little sensor here. I did relocate the fuel pump here. I ran the fuel line over the top because normally this is down at the bottom of the motor. So I made it easy access for something for it to go wrong or get plugged up for some reason. You can just switch it out right there. Relocated the rectifier, just a loose zip tie on the harness. But other than that, everything's great. Thanks for tuning in, Mike's Motos. See you guys on the next one.